The Isle of North Uist has some outstanding beaches, though they're not necessarily easy to reach. One man who knows most of them is Will Lamb, and he has a particular reason. Will is a surfer, and he pursues his hobby with real dedication. He gives his board a good covering of wax each time he goes out. This makes sure his feet will keep a good grip on it. He's not alone. There's a steadily growing band of surfers who meet regularly to enjoy their sport together. Will does some warm-up exercises before entering the sea. This is to ensure his body is ready for the hard work of the next hour or so. Then it's time to head into the water to join his companions. Some of the surfers are more experienced than others. But it takes everyone a little time to get used to riding the waves. And every ride eventually ends with the surfer rejoining the sea. As time goes by and the surfers get used to the waves, the rides begin to get longer and more exciting. Eventually, however, it's time to come back out of the sea and get ready to return to daily routine. For Will, it's been a refreshing experience, both physically and mentally. He counts himself lucky to have such an opportunity within easy reach. And now he's ready again to tackle life's daily challenges with relish.